Hey guys, welcome back to YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video, let's learn about how to add a new shipping address on Amazon. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for amazon.com. So here it is. Now choose the item you would like to buy. So let's go for this one and choose any of this. Now simply click on buy now. So now here we'll be seeing this option called add a new address. Here we need to enter a new shipping address for our item to be delivered. Now enter your phone number and enter all of your details like your street address, and you can choose further details as well. So let's click on front door, and once you are done with all of this, simply click on use this address. After this, you can go to your payment method and items and shipping details. So this is all we can do to add a new shipping address on Amazon. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.